With so much focus on how the pandemic is affecting children in schools and working parents too, there is another segment of the population affected, and that's senior citizens.
As Mikey Hood shows us now, there's an organization that is helping. It's an alternative to nursing home care for seniors who want to stay in their own homes. It's called Life Pittsburgh.
The words, the phrase, I think social isolation has really been thrown around a lot lately. And I think no one has been affected more than the elderly population. It's really sad to see that, they're stuck in their homes on a normal basis. And then when they can't even get out to come to the adult day center, where they typically get their recreation and their engagement, their socialization, it's been difficult.
Life Pittsburgh is an all-inclusive healthcare program that helps seniors 55 years and older who wish to continue to live in homes but need extra support to do so. Typically, they transport seniors from their homes to day centers in the area where they get the majority of their services. But recently, they've had to adjust.
Since the pandemic, we've really transitioned to almost fully doing in-home care, and that has included thousands of meals being delivered per week, hundreds of nursing visits per week to each of our participants, personal care assistants going out into the homes, therapists going out to the homes, social workers.
And safety has been a top priority for the program's 600 participants.
Ever since the beginning, we have been taking temperatures of staff, making sure that everyone is safe going into homes, and utilizing our personal protective equipment as we need to.
And they've not only been focused on safety, but having some fun too.
Our recreational staff have done a phenomenal job with doing at-home activities. So they've done things like stay-at-home bingo, and we've done phone interviews and phone calls, and they've gotten really creative with the activities that they're bringing to the participants in their homes. All of our folks have to be 55 years and older. They have to live within our service area, so we service the western half of Allegheny County. They also have to be medically eligible. So that means they have to have some kind of medical diagnosis that would determine that they have an extra need for support in the community.
And if they financially qualify, the program is free. There are no copays, no deductibles, and their prescriptions are covered. And they're still enrolling people during the pandemic.
We really think, now more than ever, people are seeing the benefit of staying home to receive their health care, as opposed to going into facilities to receive that. So, people want to be in the community with their loved ones, with their neighbors. So we're seeing that a lot of people are reaching out, and we're welcoming as many new people as we can.
I'm Mikey Hood for PTL.
Oh.